Good day everyone, I'm Michila V. Crayonangong from BIT Electronics. And I'm gonna show you how to use the Sizzle AI and demonstrate how to use this. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Sizzle AI. Sizzle AI is a free AI-powered learning app designed to assist students and lifelong learners in mastering a wide range of subjects through personalized, interact, and step-by-step guidance. And these are the key features of Sizzle AI. Step-by-step problem solving. Sizzle AI provides detailed step-by-step solution for complex problems in subjects like math, physics, chemistry, and biology, including word problems and those involving graphs and charts. Instant feedback system. Users can submit homework or practice problems and receive immediate feedback on their solution, helping to reinforce learning and correct misunderstandings promptly. Number 3. Classroom exercise generation. By uploading class notes or study materials, Sizzle AI can generate personalized quizzes and exercises tailored to the user's specific learning needs, covering a broad spectrum of topics from art history to computer programming. Adaptive learning technology. The app adapts to individual learning speeds and styles, offering personalized learning pathways to enhance educational outcomes. Progress tracking tools. Sizzle AI provides detailed reports and analytics to help users monitor their learning progress and identify areas for improvement. Multi-platform availability. Sizzle AI is accessible on both Android and iOS devices, allowing users to learn anytime and anywhere. And lastly, social media integration. The app integrates with platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Discord, fostering a community-oriented learning environment where users can connect and share experiences. And how to use Sizzle AI. First thing we're gonna do is download the AI and then create an account and then upload study materials, add your class notes or study materials to generate customized quizzes and exercises. Engage with interactive content. Use the Learn feature to dive into specific topics, review detailed content, and watch related videos. And interact with the AI chat features to ask questions and clarify concepts. Practice and receive feedback. Solve problems step by step and receive instant feedback to reinforce learning and correct mistakes. Track your progress, monitor your learning journey through detailed reports and analytics provided by the app, and join the community, connect with the other learners through integrated social media platforms to share experiences and gain support.